Black's challenge here is to make a living shape. Black has a few choices, like increasing eye space, or just making an eye here or here. We can try some of these moves. So this will not work. Seems like a nice move, but white can just reduce black's eye space. And this is not enough for black. If black plays here, then there's a small weakness in black's shape. So white can clamp here in number 2. And if black plays something like this, then this is already dead, right? Because this is going to be a bent 3 or a pyramid 4 shape in the end. If black stands down, then white can play at number 4, and black will still die. So number 1 here doesn't work. What about this move? White still has this move. Clamping here, and this way, black will still die. So actually, right here, E18, this is the key point. But of course, here on the right side, white has this clamp, and this is a good endgame move. Here, fortunately, it doesn't work to kill black. Black can either play this or this, and make a living shape this way, or this way. Note that white cannot make a ko here, because black can play this connect and die at number 7. So this is probably the best result white can hope for. Only a 2-point living shape, but it is a living shape anyway. Overall, pretty straightforward, just building this eye and calculate how the rest of the sequence will play out. And fortunately for black, black will be able to have another real eye. Hope you enjoyed this little challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.